Hi, I'm Reverend Skip Jennings, and I'm your yoga instructor and your senior minister here at the Center for Spiritual Living, where we do yoga twice a week, Wednesday morning, 7:15, and Friday afternoon at 12 noon. So I'm going to show you a Warrior Two pose, and it's a real fun way to do it to get your body going. So we get started in a wide-legged stretch here. Turn your foot, your right leg out into the direction that you're moving, and we're going to bend the knee. Keep the heart open. Open the arms and look towards where you're going into the Warrior Two pose. Make sure the knee is in alignment with the big toe and make sure it's right over the ankle. Here's a fun way to create some movement. You ready? Lift the hands up and just do the opposite direction. Same exact deal. You're doing your Warrior Two in the opposite direction. If you want to have some big fun with it, arms up. Exhale. We do that 4 or 5 times. Really get the blood going. And open up. Hey, I'm Reverend Skip, and that is your tip of the day.